Hello, you are watching the Unit B Concept 1 video from Mrs. Kermeans' Language Arts class. After watching this video, you should be able to identify and use action, linking, and helping verbs. Remember to copy all information that is bulleted with the pencil icon. We'll start off by defining what a verb is. A verb's main job in a sentence is to describe the action or the state of being. There are three main types of verbs, and they are action, linking, and helping. These three types of verbs are what we will be taking a closer look at in this video. For starters, we will begin with action verbs. An action verb tells what the subject does. It expresses an action that may be either physical, done visually with the body or object, or mental, done with the mind. Here are 4 example sentences that use action verbs. In the first sentence, many people believe in good luck charms. Believe is the action verb that is performed mentally. Moves is the physical action verb in the sentence. That Ferris wheel moves very quickly. Enjoyed is the mental action verb in the third sentence. We enjoyed the view from the top. In the fourth sentence, we watched TV for an hour. Watched is the physical action verb. Pause the video now and add 6 more examples of action verbs, both mental and physical if possible, to the list already started in your SSS packet. The second type of verb that we are going to look at is linking verbs. A linking verb joins or links its subject to a subject complement, which is a word or group of words that describes a subject. Here, I have demonstrated how the linking verb is and seems have linked the subject she with the subject complement smart. Here are 4 example sentences that use linking verbs. In the first sentence, Ferris was a bridge maker and a creative thinker. The linking verb is links the subject Ferris with 2 subject complements, bridge maker and thinker. The linking verb were links the subject people with the subject complement amazed in the second sentence. People were amazed by the cars. In the third sentence, the linking verb appears links the subject she with the subject complement frazzled in the sentence. She appears frazzled by the orders coming in. In the sentence, the pizza remained untouched after the fly landed on it. The linking verb remain links the subject pizza with the subject complement untouched. Pause the video to create 4 more links using the list of linking verbs in your SSS packet. Make sure that you use 4 different linking verbs. The third type of verb that we are going to study in this video is the helping verb. You probably remember that a sentence may have more than one verb. Some verbs consist of a verb phrase, which is made up of a main verb and at least one helping verb. Here are 4 example sentences that use helping verbs to assist a main verb. In the first sentence, which is a question, haven't you ever worn a lucky shirt? The helping verb have assists the main verb worn. Please note and remember that not and N' are never part of the verb phrase, even if they come between the helping and main verbs. In the second sentence, a broken mirror could bring bad luck for 7 years. The helping verb could helps the main verb bring. The helping verbs will and be are assisting the main verb discarding in the third sentence. I will not be discarding my lucky 4-leaf clover. The helping verbs could and have help the main verb chosen in the final example sentence. He could have chosen ice cream for dessert. Pause the video and see if you can add 5 more verb phrases consisting of 3 helping verbs and 1 main verb, like the one already in your SSS packet, must have been singing. Okay, now it's practice time. Here's your chance to show what you know. In the practice example section of your SSS packet are 7 sentences. In a moment, you are going to pause this video and complete the 7 practice examples. I want you to underline all the verbs in each sentence and label them as action, linking, or helping verbs. Here is an example to give you an idea of what you are expected to do. I have labeled did as the helping verb and toss as the main verb in the sentence. I did toss a piece of cookie to him. Practice example number 1. That coffee tastes strong. Practice example number 2. I have tasted one of those cookies. Number 3. Suddenly my dog appeared in the kitchen. Number 4. Their bright colors warn of poison. Practice example number 5. The golden dart frog is the most dangerous. Number 6. It seems odd to me that she was late. And practice example number 7. I must go to the store tomorrow for eggs. Remember that it does you no good to simply copy the answers without trying to complete the examples first yourself. You will be required to complete assignments and quizzes showing you have mastered this objective. It would be beneficial for you to see if you know the objective or not before you are asked to complete graded work in class. Pause the video now and complete the practice examples in your SSS packet. Okay, now that you have taken the time to complete the examples, we will cover the answers. In practice example number 1, you should have underlined the verb tastes and labeled it as a linking verb. In practice example number 2, you should have underlined the verb have and labeled it as a helping verb, as shown. The verb tasted should also have been underlined and labeled as an action verb. This one may have been tricky because the verb taste can be a linking or action verb. In this sentence, someone is tasting the cookie, so it is a physical action being performed instead of being used to link a subject and its subject complement. The verb appeared should have been labeled as an action verb in the third practice example. The verb warn should have been labeled as an action verb in the fourth practice example. In practice example number 5, the verb is should have been underlined and labeled as a linking verb. In practice example number 6, 2 verbs should have been underlined. Seems and was are both linking verbs as well and should have been labeled as such. In the final practice example, the helping verb must assist the action verb go. It is absolutely essential that you are able to identify verbs in the sentence in order to understand and master the remaining 9 objectives in Unit B. If you didn't do so well on the practice examples, make sure you let Mrs. Cummings know and make good use of your practice time in class to make sure that you can identify verbs in a sentence before we move on to other lessons. Complete the summary and question section of your WISC while the information is still fresh in your mind. Make sure it is completed with the correct title on notebook paper and placed in the correct location in your language arts binder. Come to class prepared to discuss the concept and what you learned.